Okay, brilliant job. Problem fixed after a couple of years of no hot water for the old man. Now he's happy.
Oh,
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Be nice to have a look at this ideal today. They got heating but no hot water.
Right off. One more go. So we're gonna hot water on this. It's not sensing it. That baby's got to be changed there. Okay, no worries. So guys, I tried to isolate it. Unfortunately, that's quite stiff, but luckily I saw an isolation valve there. So I isolated it, changing this baby. Found that in my car. It's a brand new one. I must have had ordered a few. So when I take that out, hopefully it matches and it's the same one.
Right guys, as we're changing the turbine, just want to let you know that we repair boilers in Birmingham and South Birmingham. So if you got a broken down boiler, give us a call. We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Wocesterbosch, Vaillant and many more. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. If you got a Gladial boilers, water tanks, we also repair them and tank systems. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right, I use this special spanner to tighten it. It fits perfectly.
Okay, you can switch it off, please. Right then, moment of truth, yeah? Yeah. Try that. Yeah, that's working.
Right, to get to the turbine, I had to get the condenser out, and believe it or not, the condenser was really dirty. So I've cleaned that up for him as well. Right guys, thankfully I done the diagnosis correctly. The magnetic turbine was, if you see it carefully, is broken inside. So hence why the customer wasn't getting any hot water. They didn't complain about the central heating, just complained about the hot water. So luckily I had the turbine in my car, changed it, and now we're going to test the hot water out.
Yeah, I'm just checking it out, testing it, okay. Yeah, it's nice and hot now. Right. So I can only just keep my fingers there for 3 seconds. Just so they can find. Right guys, I've just sorted this idea that the central heating was working fine, but the hot water wasn't. Was it intermittent or something? But anyway, the turbine was faulty on it, it was broken internally. Luckily I had one in my car, and it worked, and it's all working fine now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. I've just done the boiler repair for this gentleman, and he wants to give me a review. Well, I asked him actually, and he said yeah. So yeah.
Okay. This fella's done an absolutely fantastic job.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant job. Problem fixed after a couple of years of no hot water for the old man. Now he's happy.
Oh, brilliant.
Brilliant.
Thank you. I appreciate that.